This year's Durban July theme was leader of the pack, all about the celebrities, what they wore, the do's and the don'ts, and the standards is elevated. But let's see. Yeah, first we're gonna start with Pat Mundiadi. Well, she went all I guess a mixture of fusion of couture and then devil inspiration. I mean, that's her interpretation of actually trying to sort of portray the African warrior, but also staying within the trends of the world. And there's a lot of sheer, there's a lot of mesh, and I've never seen her this sexy, by the way, and she looks absolutely stunning. Okay, now
Yo, Nadia Nakai, rap queen.
We actually deal with a lot of lace placement, all right? Lace placement can be a bit techy if it's not done correctly. I mean, I think Nadia Nakai, she's got a stunning body, but I think that the detailing on the dress could have been better. Maybe I was not too close enough to actually look at it properly, but I would call it a miss for me because it's flattering. The boob area as well, the boobs are not taped properly and they're not in proportion, so I wouldn't advise anybody else to go for this kind of look. It's a very sensitive look.
Honey. It's something else going and buying expensive lace and making an expensive dress, but then it's another when you just take that meter of lace and you wrap it around your waist, and it's like bad construction and it doesn't look nice and you are too naked. Sorry. Tiwa Savage, all the way from Nigeria.
Well, we love Tiwa Savage, but I mean, she's quite an elegant lady. The look is quite sophisticated. It has nothing to do with the theme. I mean, you could wear this dress going to a cocktail party, or you know what I mean. But I think she played it safe. She's not a safe kind of person, but I'm just surprised that she actually came to the July and she just looked so plain. Yo, Muzi Mtabela. It's different. It just feels like you're a handsome guy, you're a great actor. It could have been much more nicer if I something more tailored and yet a bit of edge right there. But the whole something, the whole church vibe and the KZN. No, let's leave it at home. Kanyumbao. Oh, I don't know who actually made that. I actually loved that whole cape meshy dress on top. But I mean, I think I've seen enough of her at these events being naked.
Like, guys, designers, most of us, can we just actually wear kata 7 day? Like, cut a pattern, construct a garment, and make sure that it looks like a garment. You don't just buy fabric and then open a hole and then put it over some swimming costume and patch up some laces and then you think you are done. No. No Muzi. Usile, what's that? Okay, I understand the jumpsuit part. And then the kharteni, the skating that you had that looked like a curtain.
Musli, I love her. I love her to bits. But I just feel like if you're gonna say you're Skanda queen and you're Skanda this and you've got such a hot body, I don't think that it is necessary to. I think there's something wrong with the cape and also the finishing of it. And she's got a very hot body, and the head wrap as well, the headpiece, it's just not working for me. She's stunning, I love her, but I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I mean, I loved what she wore at the Summers, but this one, I wouldn't even want somebody to lead me in this one. Zinhle, DJ Zinhle, aka DJ Zinhle. Well, I think she's looking stunning. I mean, I've never seen her looking all ladylike. Also, every time I see her, she's all masculine and more like really tough, all kind of stuff. I think the lace is got, the top part of it sort of brings like a softer look, to her and her persona. I love how she did the whole, the jewelry and the nails, it's sort of something that pops in the dark lip. I really think that she looked really stunning. But did she follow the theme? I'm not really sure.
KK, well, we know him with his shiny suits on Mobango, and I think he proved us wrong. KK can actually dress very well in real life. So yeah, there's a difference between McDonald's and KK, and McDonald looked amazing. I loved the color of the suit. I loved the tailoring. The check on the suit is amazing. The tie, well-dressed gentleman. I was telling you, our sister, you look stunning. You are sexy for your age.
Tembi's here, dear. Sometimes less is more, I feel like it's such a beautiful outfit. There is so much that I would like to say about this outfit. So if you went for a tux, like with that kind of tail, with that kind of, that sort of a theme that you had in mind, it needs to be properly made in the crotch area, with the pants as well, to avoid the camel toe. So it's like, pay attention to details like that because it's very, very visible.
It's a nice dress, but maybe for high tea, not during July. Beautiful dress though.
Very simple. I expected something more. I think I expected more out of her, especially since the theme is leader of the pack. I just feel like it is such a simple and a safe dress.
It's corseted, pencil mermaid at the bottom. It's the same old one.